Hello and welcome to the Pizza Kitchen. I'm your host Brian Hernandez, and today we're showcasing another recipe from my multimedia segment, The Chef's Corner, appearing in every issue of PMQ Pizza magazine. Today's recipe is from our good friend Mario Rizzotti. Now Mario is a noted judge from Iron Chef America, an MC, and a brand ambassador. And if there's one thing that the 80s taught us in America, is that excess was king. We wanted more of everything. Well, luckily, we grew out of our shoulder-padded, safety-dancing, hair-sprayed days to realize that sometimes less is more. Now, this is the exact message Mario is trying to spread to the nation about pizza and authentic Italian cuisine in general. So today, we're going to be making Mama Rizzotti's Pizza Bianca con Patate e Rosmarino, a simple 2-ingredient pie with all the flavors and aromas of authentic Italian cuisine. So for this dough, you're going to need 00 flour, water, extra virgin olive oil, fresh yeast, and fine sea salt. Take your 300 milliliters of water and bring to a lukewarm temperature. Then take the 20 grams of fresh yeast and activate it in the water for a few minutes or until fully awakened and frothy. Meanwhile, place the 500 grams of flour in your mixer, add the salt, and mix it well. Then add the water with the yeast and the 30 grams of extra virgin olive oil. Mix until smooth and cohesive for about 8 to 10 minutes. Divide the dough into 2 dough balls, approximately 430 grams each, and let rest on a counter well coated in flour for 30 minutes. Then refrigerate and let proof for 24 hours before use. So to make this recipe, you're going to need medium potatoes, branches of rosemary, olive oil, and sea salt to taste. Preheat the oven to 380 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Peel your potatoes and slice them a ½ centimeter in thickness. Stretch your dough into a 12 to 14 inch crust and top it with the potatoes, olive oil, and your rosemary leaves, a touch of salt and olive oil. Place the pie in the oven and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Take it out of the oven, drizzle it with some olive oil and some sea salt to taste, and bon appetit. Well, that's it. Nothing goes together better than potatoes and rosemary, except maybe Cheech and Chong or Tom and Jerry. I hope everyone takes the time to try this simple yet delicious recipe at home or in your pizzerias. For more information about Mario Rizzotti, check out the online Q&A at pmq.com/Mario Talks. Thank you all so much for joining us in the Pizza Kitchen today. I'd like to thank my good friend Mario for this great tasting recipe. I'll see everyone next time, but until then, keep those potatoes peeled.